Welcome to the video guide of the broker page on the website TradingBotLab. Here you can see on the screen, the page is broker. Under this main menu, at the moment we have two options, all brokers and compare brokers. So first of all, I will click on the all broker and you will be here. Here you can see the number 1, 2 and 3 brokers recommended by our team based on our research. And below here you can see a list of almost all brokers, and if a broker is not available about which you want to know the information, simply you can click here, send request to add a new broker, and here you will write a name. For example, here you send a request about a broker like Black Bull Markets. Okay, so here is the broker name, and if you write here the broker URL, that will be more easy for us to identify the same broker which you are requesting for. To do that, simply open a new tab and here you will search Black Bull Markets and you will verify blackbull.com. Yes, exactly this broker. You will click on it and Control C, and here Control V and submit request, and that's it. Simply you can close this one now. And now we just received the request at admin side and we will work on it, figure out all information about that broker and add into our list as soon as possible. And from here you can also search and all these features, you can sort by name and etc. Okay, so and here you are watching the add to compare with all these broker, add to compare. For example, I want to compare the AC market, the Star Trader and the FP market, and now it is showing in compare, and here is a new button pop up here and it is showing we have added 3 broker. For example, I don't want to compare the FP market and I want to compare with the fresh Forex broker. I will select from here and the Grand Capital and simply click here. When I click here, it will open a compare broker page. Officially on the top you can see the name and logos of all brokers, and here you can see all these details in more and more depth. The most important part is the regulators. From here you can see which broker have which regulations and how much are the total top regulators, and from here you can see all these details: account and conditions, education and tech and marketing access, the promotional, and there are some bonuses and these things. Okay, and if you want to check all the detail on the website, the official website of the Fresh Forex, simply you need to click on the visit site and it will open a new tab with the official link. And if you click here on the review button, you will see the pros, cons, the company information, why trade with DC market, regulators, and all these information. And also if you face some problem from the broker side, simply come here and write a review based on your experience. You are free to write a 1 star or 10 stars with your experience here and simply submit the review. Also you can write comments, and from here, like in the under the comment section, you can write comment. And if you want to close this pop-up, simply click on this cross button and that's it. Visit and subscribe our channel for more updates and information related to MT5, Forex trading boards and scalpers, and everything related to MT5 trading boards. I hope you understand everything. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.